Hi, this is Joel Berman with Mortgage News Network at NAMB National in Las Vegas. I have the pleasure of being with Mel Freyre, who's the VP of Sales for Angel Oak Mortgage Solutions. Welcome to our broadcast plaza, and we'd like to thank you for being a sponsor of many things in National Mortgage Professional Magazine and Mortgage News Network, and your commitment to the mortgage broker. So, talking about mortgage brokers, what do you feel the role of a mortgage broker is, and where do you think the future is as far as mortgage brokers' growth in the future?
Well, I think, Joel, and thank you for having me, by the way. We've been doing this for 4 years, and we've seen the evolution of the non-QM product and as it relates to our loan officers. And what we're seeing now is, as rates go up, the business has been narrowing, so loan officers got to look for a way to find some business. I think Angel Oak's been at the forefront of promoting these non-QM products to our loan officers and showing them how they can use our products to generate more business. One of the neat things that I think we've done in 2017 is we put together a bunch of webinars. I think you're familiar with them. If you visit our website on our blog, we have a lot of webinars showing loan officers how they can go out there and promote our products to generate more business. One of the neat things we did is we put together a PowerPoint. So they can actually use our PowerPoint right now and go out to referral partners, and the presentation is already done for them. So that's one of the things that we've seen, that little by little the loan officer has realized there's a lot of value in these programs, where 4 years ago when we started, it wasn't the case.
Without question, your webinars are a fantastic resource for the mortgage broker to learn about the non-QM product. And I think one of the things that I've always wondered over the years, do you think that the mortgage broker community finally understands the value of the non-QM product to be developed as a profit center in both their existing database that they have with clients that they've done loans for in the past, as well as extending it to a new audience? And as you said, you have these partners that you're dealing with. You have a PowerPoint presentation that they could bring to real estate professionals, attorneys, financial planners, which gives them an opportunity to open that avenue up to those referral partners. What do you feel in terms of all of the resources that you have and what the mortgage broker thinks about the non-QM product currently?
Okay, so I'm going to go back to the fact that we were doing this 4 years. So as a leader in the non-QM space, we've seen the evolution, but even so, 4 years later, we still have some loan officers that may have some misconceptions about the non-QM products. Are they hard to do? Is it going to be more work? One of the things that we pride ourselves is we make the process simple for our loan officers, because we want them to see that this isn't harder than an agency loan. We get testimonials all day long from many of our customers that are wowed about how easy the process was. But that being said, there are loan officers out there that still don't understand how they can use these products to go get more business. And what happens is, in any business, the biggest commodity you have is your customer. And I think loan officers are realizing that if they turn away a customer because they don't offer one of these products that are out there for them, they run the risk of losing the customer to their competition. And that would be a big shame, because not only do you lose that loan, you lose the referrals that come with it. If a realtor brought you that customer, you lose that realtor, because why would that realtor bring you the business back on the next one? So we are constantly seeing more and more people realizing the value of what these programs can bring to them.
What resources do you currently have in your menu of resources that you provide to mortgage brokers? I'm familiar with a product you have for whiteboard videos, if you could kind of talk about that, and what other marketing resources that are provided to help them both understand the non-QM product and help them market it.
Okay, so we have the whiteboard videos that we've had up for the last year and a half. We're working on a platform where we may be able to offer those videos to our customers that they can kind of brand with their own information. The other important thing that we have many customers now taking advantage of is we have a lot of marketing flyers available on our website. So if you're one of our customers, you're able to log in, use our marketing flyers, brand it with your logo, your picture, your company information, and pretty soon you'll be able to order them from our website direct. You'll have the ability to go out there and market these programs. So whether you're marketing to an investor or a foreign national borrower or a borrower who recently had a foreclosure, short sale, bankruptcy, it's a great way to go out there, for instance, and meet realtors. I've always said if I had a broker shop, I'd have our loan officers going out there introducing themselves with our product. Now, why is that, Joel? In the past, people go out there and talk to realtors, and they say the same thing. We have great rates and we have great service. Well, that's kind of, in 2017, everybody says that. So what are you going to do to differentiate yourself? So you're able to use our flyers to go out there and kind of meet people. Just say hello instead of just showing up with nothing. Hey, I have something that can save you some buyers that may not qualify. Now you don't need to say no to them.
So basically, these are resources that are able to explain to the affiliate partners or the referral partners that you're dealing with what the opportunities are to not, especially with real estate professionals, not lose deals because
Absolutely.
of the non-QM product. Now, one thing that I want to congratulate Angel Oak Mortgage Solutions is that you've actually established the validity of the non-QM product with your ongoing securitizations. I want to congratulate you because that really, I think, was the strong point as far as people were concerned, that until it was securitized, that is it a real valid product in
100%.
the marketplace. And, moving forward, do you think there's still plenty of opportunity for mortgage brokers that have not understood the non-QM to be part of it? And what can they do to touch base with you and learn a little bit more about Angel Oak?
Well, obviously, it's interesting because we see, I'll give you an example. We have many companies that when we approached them in the beginning, wouldn't talk to us because they didn't understand the product. They hadn't done it in many years. So if you fast forward to 2017, we have many of the largest lenders in the U.S. that have entrusted their business with us. So we continue to see more and more people realizing that, hey, I need to be involved in this or I'm going to be left behind. The trains took off already. And you mentioned something that's interesting. I think yourself and I, we saw each other a couple years ago in Orlando at a conference. And when the word non-QM was brought up, everybody was like, so if you think about how far we've traveled. So what we're trying to do is we're making sure that our customer realizes that they can reach us. We're going to help them use these products to increase their business. And please go on our website, look us up, give us a call. We'd be happy to help you with that.
Well, fantastic. Thank you so much, Mel, for supporting the mortgage broker community and the NAMB. And we look forward to the growth of Angel Oak Mortgage Solutions over the years in providing a needed profit center for mortgage brokers. And we definitely thank you.
Thank you, Joe.
That's Joel Berman from Mortgage News Network, Broadcast Plaza, NAMB National in Las Vegas. Thank you.
This is Mortgage News Network.